What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm gonna show you cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy crypto, sell crypto, leverage, trade, and much more. And it does not require KYC. But before we're gonna take a look at this exchange, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So if you go to LeveX.com, or I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, this is what you're gonna be presented with. And they also offer apps for Apple and for Android phone. So first, what you need to do, just register. There's gonna be like a sign up button. Just press on it, go through the sign up process. The only thing you have to do, just put your email address, verify, and that's it. You're gonna be good to go. Right here you can see how many people are actually trading on this exchange, and then you can just press on start trading, but we're gonna take a look at that in a minute. And then scroll down, you'll see different things over here that they're offering, and popular futures and spots, and then much more. So first thing, we're gonna take a look the tab market. So there's overview, convert, and buy crypto. So with the overview, you're going to be able to see every single currency or pair that they have on exchange, and they have, if I'm not mistaken, over 400 different pairs, and they offer with the USDT pair or USDC. And then you can scroll down and see exactly which tokens they have listed here. And they also have in different categories: seed, layer 1, 2, DeFi, meme, infrastructure, launch pool, and much more. And then if we're gonna hover over again, you can also convert. So convert option just gives you option like a decentralized exchange where you just go in, convert one into another. They don't have as many options as on a spot exchange, but they have still quite a few here that you can convert from one to another. And you can also do market order or limit order. And then the last thing, buy crypto. This is where you can actually buy cryptocurrency using your Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, and this another one looks like a European payment option. Most likely, if you're gonna decide to buy using your Visa or MasterCard, you're gonna have to do some kind of KYC. Then if we take a look at the trade option, like I stated earlier, they have two different options with the USDT or USDC pairs. You can just choose whatever, like Ethereum and USDT, and then it's gonna take you to the spot options. Right here you can see all the sell and buy orders, market trades, and this is where you can actually buy or sell Ethereum for your USDT, or the other way around. You can either use limit order or you can use market to buy or sell at the current market price. So that way it's going to be instant sell, or if you set the limit, once it's going to reach that amount, then it will trigger sell or buy. And then futures. So futures, this is the one where you can actually leverage trade. And let's say if you choose BTC to USDT, and if you think that BTC is going to be keep going up, then you can open long, or if you believe that it's going to drop down, then you open short. Right here you can set the amount, the X, how many X, and they offered you up to 500X. This is super high risk. I would never recommend doing it, but some people still do. And you can set the amount and then confirm here. Then if we hover over feed, they have blogs and frequently asked questions, and then reward hub, welcome bonuses, quest, my rewards, tournaments, and referrals. Also another thing right here, if you decide to deposit, you just press on deposit and then choose what option. Either you're gonna buy crypto, or if you already hold, or you, let's say, purchase on a Coinbase and you just wanted to leverage trade some here, you just press on deposit, show you which one you can deposit, address, and then you'll just have to send crypto here. And then once you hover over your wallet, same thing for withdraw. There's two options, spot wallet and futures wallet, so you choose which one. Or if you press on withdraw, same thing in here, you choose which coin you would like to withdraw. Let's say, for example, USDT, address, and then chains. They support many different chains. It shows you the fees and the minimum amount that you need to withdraw and how long it's gonna take for the transaction to go through. And then the last thing, if we go over profile and then verification status. So mine is basic, no KYC. With the basic verification, daily limit is 20,000, monthly limit is 100,000. And of course, if you need more than that, then you can start going into the KYC, and then your limit is gonna increase. And this is pretty much it. This crypto exchange, super simple, has many different pairs, offers many different options. You can just spot trade or leverage trade, and it does not require KYC to start. Link to this exchange I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.